Ka Gorkha Patshala Higher Secondary School Chilong, Klayo Ra e kanam la du na barok school ki baha papo jang ke embus, ke exam jang ke SSLC, usamla wanggal lama, ubadayu kana school na po Gorkha ulayo, ha Kyrdan Nyngkong jang ke top 10, ha ba ulayo, sanspa prapasan mas, waktu samla syarat chetri, ha Kyrdan bepra ma ulayo, sanspa andre pupra mas.
I'm feeling it's just I'm just too excited to say this. I can't express in words because first of all I never thought that I would come into merit list, and first of all I would also like to thank my teachers for everything that I've done. Mainly my tuition teacher and my favorite teacher, Siddharth sir. He's also right here. So thank you, sir.
What was your secret? How is your preparation?
Sir, actually my study habit is quite messed up. I only sit to come and sit to do study when I feel like no, I want to study. That's my biggest. I would like to say that it is the biggest flaw in me, and there's no fixed routine for me whether when to study or when to not. Although I always make a schedule at the beginning of the session, but for some reason I could never follow it up, and I would like to say that the fixed hours for me to study was never there.
And what was the most challenging subject?
The most challenging subject, to be honest, for me the most challenging subject was English because of not the way it was had, because of the grammatic mistakes I always make, and all the teachers know what kind of handwriting I had. You can ask all of them. I had the most horrible handwriting in the entire school. Even during the exam times, I was feeling like, oh, my handwriting is the worst in the entire.
So what is
Future plan is to become a CA, and then if I become an established CA, I would like to become a writer, and I also want to write my own movie.
When the time came, I directly came to my school and I saw all the commotion going on in my school. Their wildness, chaos was going on. And when they briefed me about my result, like I could not even believe it. And I'm just so happy, and it feels just like a dream, and it feels ethereal, otherworldly.
What does it take? The question.
Well, you see, what I think that is that you should never think that you're less than anyone. You can come even from the rural side or even from the cities. You can even be, you can even not score much in your previous classes. But what it takes is hard work. The foremost thing is that you have to believe in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, then who else will? Nobody's expectation and belief matters, but what matters is you and your mindset. You have to work hard for it. You have to hone your skills. You have to improve in what you lack. And to be honest, you should not be a bookworm. You should not only be books. You should have a whole life experience. Live your class 10 throughout and live your studies. You should know everything. Don't be a bookworm. Have vast knowledge of your topics. And when you write, this is my advice, that when you write, don't write what you have mucked up. Write through your heart. Write what you have understood. That's the key.
So,
That's the question that has been eating me up the most. I've been thinking a lot, but everything feels narrow to me. Like till now, I haven't really figured out my purpose in life. So I wish that God will help me to find what my purpose in life is, and that I can give it my all, and I can be a symbol for society.
okay, one last thing from a topper.
I would like to say that don't think of me as a topper. To be honest, I'm not a bookworm. I just study what I get. Don't think of me as a topper, because I know that thousands of people have prepared. Thousands of people were expecting this, and fortunately, I got what I wanted. But I would like to say is that whenever you do something, fulfill your responsibilities, carry your dharma and your karma throughout, because that is the foremost duty of a human. And whenever you do something, don't expect anything, because if you do something without expectation, you will not be affected by the pleasure of victory, and you will not be affected by the suffering of defeat. So whenever you do something, do through your whole heart. Keep in mind that you are doing this because this is your duty, this is your responsibility, because you want this. And when you give it your all, the result won't matter to you, because in your heart you will feel satisfied. And to be honest, for me too, the results, they were eating me up much, but I have realized this, that the results didn't matter to me, because what I performed, I could do it with my whole heart. No regret was left in me, so the result didn't matter at all, and I'm just thankful to God that I got this top position.